CATA's recent cybersecurity forum held in Ottawa, one of the resounding and continuous issues discussed amongst those in attendance was the challenge related to skilled labor. One of the go-forward mandates given to the proposed Cyber Council was to pursue strategic partnerships with the public and private sector to drive job creations and skills development in Canada and abroad. Here to talk about one of the first things that we actually discussed in this initiative was to actually go forward on a study. We did it as a result was partner with the Information and Communications Technology Council, or ICTC. Here to discuss the need for action and the requirement for the future is John Reid, President and CEO of CATA.
Well, thanks, Catherine. Of course, I'm with our very good partner, ICTC, Anir and Annie, who I'll be turning the podium over in a couple of minutes. We've already spoke to the importance of cybersecurity. It's not only critical to individuals, it's critical to organizations as they look to grow, protect their brands, and basically be best in class. So you really can't go forward unless you embrace and understand the solutions and the challenges of cybersecurity. Now, to do that, you do need thought leadership. You need to validate what you say. People have to have confidence in the advice you give, which is the reason for the study and the reason for doing it with both the public and private sector. But there is another dimension. We're building the competitive innovation nation. That means being the best in technologies. What happens if 5-10 years from now we could look at 10 to 20 new technologies developed in Canada that are being applied around the world to help people be cybersecurity experts and protect their enterprise? So two dimensions, research, but also it's an engine to grow another key sector in Canada. So I'd like to turn the podium over now to Anir and Annie from ICTC and let him have a say on some of his interests in cybersecurity. Anir.
Good morning. Thank you, John. I think it's fair to say that most of our business, increasingly, and economic activities are being conducted on the internet and cyberspace. And whether you're in the retail, healthcare, manufacturing, or government, cyber threats are real, with potential impacts on competitiveness, growth, monetary, and also loss of potential data and proprietary information. But we know that the knowledge in this domain is certainly in constant flux, and at the heart of it, it's about having the right talent to be able to build the right safeguards. And as an organization that is primarily involved in labor market intelligence and talent solutions, certainly in discussions with the industry, we're recognizing that the quest for that talent is certainly heightening, not only in Canada, but abroad. So potentially in the next number of years, we'll be competing in a very tight labor market. So we're certainly very pleased to partner with CATAAlliance and other organizations with the aim of drilling down and understanding three elements. First, what are the talent needs for today and for the next number of years on a sectorial level? Two, what are the right paths that we have to build, either from the educational system, but also upskilling within the industry? And third, what are the right policies and strategies that we need to develop to fast-track the talent development in Canada in this arena? At the end of the day, we're pooling our resources and collectively putting together a plan and a roadmap to be able to create that environment to build that talent in Canada and have and ensure that we have an innovative mechanism of making that happen for the next number of years.
Thank you, Namir. For those that are interested in finding out more about this study, CATA and ICTC have put together a prospectus, and we'll be reaching out to industry leaders both in Canada and abroad to get their feelings of what their business requirement is going to be, current state and future state. If you'd like more information on this, you can reach us at www.cata.ca.